Good morning. Let's do a makeup look. I'm going to begin today with the eyes like I always do. Let's see, that's not the one I want to use. I want to use the Note concealer on my eyelids. So far, my experience with this Note concealer is that it is making a very good eyeshadow primer. My shadows are staying all day until I take my makeup off, and the colors look true. If I don't feel like using a highlight under my brow, this concealer is light enough to act as a highlight. I'm going to do a brown smoky or a bronze smoky eye today. I'm going to just use this little palette. I don't think I've ever shown it before. It's from Model Co. and it's metallic eyeshadow Saint Tropez. And I'm going to take the darkest one in it and put that along my lash line and work my way up like that. Then I'm going to take the next one, this one, and go above that. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend that out, or blend it up just a little bit. I'm keeping those circles pretty tight so I don't get the bronze color blended up too high. I'm going to add a little more. Keeping those little circles tight, like I said before, so I don't get it blended up too high. Then I'm going to take the yellow in this. It's kind of a buttercup yellow. I'm going to add that to right under my brow. I think I'm going to put it on the front of my eye also. As a highlight. I'm going to go back and take the darkest one and put it underneath. I'm going to use a bronze color on my waterline. I have a gold eyeliner here. I'm going to put that on my waterline. I think this pencil is from NYX. I bet the Costa Riche would have been pretty there. All right, I'm going to do some foundation. I'm going to use my City Beauty Serum. I like the City Bitty. The City Beauty Uplift Firming Serum. I like it as a primer. Then I'm going to use my All Hours Foundation from YSL. And I'm going to put it on my Sigma 3D HD Kabuki brush to apply that. It smells like watermelon. The All Hours. I haven't put my brows on yet, so that's good. I don't have to worry about wiping those off while I'm applying my foundation. This is a great brush because it gets in those tight places around your nose and mouth. And speaking of the mouth, I'm going to go ahead and put some City Lips Clear Plumping Gloss on to condition my lips while I do the rest of my face. This really feels good. I wear it to bed at night. Really, really like that. I have a backup. Don't want to run out of that. Alright, I'm going to use my... I should have done this before the foundation, but I just now remembered. My under eye recovery from City Bitty, from City Lips. This is great. Favorite eye cream I've ever used. It soaks right in. It doesn't seem to migrate into my eyeball. And it layers well under my under eye highlight. And you can put it on your lids. It works there also. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. Taco's behind me asleep on his blankies. He's waiting for me to get my face on so we can go for a walk in the sunshine. I think it's supposed to get up to 70 today. I'm pretty jazzed about that. It was miserable the past 2 days. Wet and cold, rainy and cold. Okay, put the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind on my nose. I'll take my finger if I can make this. Oh yeah, it makes it more better. Like it. I'm using the Physicians Formula today as my, boy that smells good, as my bronzer. And I'm going to put some there. Some there. On the tip of my nose like that. I messed up my highlight. There. This really smells good. I have probably the darkest one. I have Endless Summer is what it's called. Yes. That's the color I'm using. Here we go. I'm going to use this Viseart blush palette. These are really soft blushes, so you have to really be careful if you carry it with you anywhere. And I'm taking the coral from this palette and putting it right here. I do need to do the brows. I still haven't done those. I'm using the Got to Be Glue by Schwarzkopf to shape my brows. I want some fluffy stand-up brows. So I had a question in my comments about the job where I was doing makeup on a man for filming. It was I guess it was an infomercial for a new drug. I didn't have to sign anything saying I wouldn't talk about it, but it's something for putting people to sleep for 30 minutes or less for a short procedure, like a colonoscopy. See, it wasn't even interesting. Why I didn't share it before. Now, brow pencil. I'm still using the Note pencil. I like it as well as my brow gal pencil. I don't seem to have a problem with I used to have a problem with the front of my brows disappearing. I have not had that problem with this. And then I'm going to fill in these little places in here. Where I'm missing some brow. And then I'm going to add a little more to the tail. There's a picture on my Instagram of me doing makeup for that infomercial. My Instagram is at Jenny Charleston Makeup Artist. I'm going to take some of this Temptu Highlight and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And use my highlight brush. This is a Morphe fan brush. I'm gonna dunk it like that and rub it back and forth. And then I'm gonna add a little more of the JKat White Goddess. That. I've misplaced my, actually I packed my Fenty powder in my kit. Oh, here. We'll use the Charlotte Tilbury. I like to use the powder to blend to settle it, make it all mesh together like that. I really would like Teddy or... So I put the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder on and I used the KKW 2.5 lip liner and the City Lips, where is it? San Diego lip gloss. San Diego. Then I used the GigaBlack Extended Play GigaBlack Mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I also found my Costa Riche pencil. I went back, the gold wasn't enough. I didn't feel like that was enough color. So I have both the gold pencil from NYX on my waterline. Let's see what it's called. It's called Gold Glitter. Number 933, and it's made in Turkey. And then I have the Costa Riche on top of that in my waterline. So this is my bronzy look. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if your weather's warming up where you are. And also let me know if you purchased anything from the Jaclyn Hill launch. And if you want to know if I bought something from the launch, put that in the comments too. Y'all have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Ta-ta.